Hello everybody, welcome back. Hope you had a fabulous weekend. Today's drawing goes out to all of you Star Wars fans out there, as it is May 4th. So today we're going to be drawing two lightsabers crossing. So grab your pencils and your paper and we will get started. With the handle of this first one. So you're going to start with a curved line, and then you're going to loop up and around, and then go ahead and bring that diagonal line down and across and up to connect, and then add a little arch and a rectangle. Alright. And then I made that a little long, so I'm going to actually overlap this part, which is okay because I'll be coloring it in, but just go ahead and draw a diagonal rectangle. I'm going to color mine in with my Sharpie. If you're waiting to color later, that is perfectly fine. Okay, and then just a tiny rectangle. And then for this next part, you're going to want it to go out a little bit, and again it will be another rectangle. So just make sure it goes out, down, over, up, and then just go ahead and do a U at the bottom. Okay, and there is one more step to this part. You're going to do a very skinny diagonal oval that goes top to bottom, and do that twice. And you can choose to color that in now or wait until later. Okay, and then we're going to jump over and do the same thing on this side. So you're going to do a curved line. You're going to loop it up and down and keep going down. And then on this side you can go down and across to meet up. And then we're going to add an arch and a rectangle. And then another rectangle. And I'm going to go ahead and color that in again. And then that tiny, skinny rectangle. Then remember, for this next part, we want it to come out, down, over, connect, and then a little U. And then we're going to be adding those tall, skinny ovals on the inside. So now we have most of the detail done. For the lightsaber part, I'm actually going to just do it with a marker rather than doing it with Sharpie so that it can look like it's glowing. So I'm going to start with this side, and you're going to take a diagonal line up. Don't lift your marker, curve it around, and connect it down. Sorry about that. My marker got stuck on something that was under my paper, but that's okay. I'll just go ahead and fill it in and try my best to make it look natural. It's okay if we make mistakes, we just have to turn them into something, as I always tell my students. Alright, and then I'll go ahead and add the blue. So for the blue, you're going to want to stop because the red is on top, so you'll go diagonal line up and stop, diagonal line up and stop, and then meet it at that end, curve it around, and meet up again. Alright. And then you can choose to add more color to your handles if you'd like to, and maybe add some other designs and decorations around it. But otherwise, that is it for the drawing portion of today. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I apologize, but my Star Wars knowledge is pretty slim. So I hope you enjoyed the lightsaber drawing, and may the 4th be with you.